Wards lie shattered and corridors flooded with debris at Soroka Medical Center in Beersheba, following a missile strike that sent shockwaves through the hospital and surrounding area. The impact caused extensive structural damage, windows blown out, ceilings collapsed, and entire departments rendered unusable. According to the hospital's director, several units were heavily affected, despite prior evacuations in some parts of the building. More than 40 people inside the hospital sustained injuries, most of them caused by broken glass and falling debris. Emergency teams are now transferring over 200 patients to alternative facilities as engineers assess the scale of destruction. In Ramat Gan, near Tel Aviv, glass-fronted office towers suffered severe damage after a missile strike in the business district. Hours later, large sheets of glass continued to fall from upper floors, and bent metal fragments from utility infrastructure dropped into the streets below. Authorities have cordoned off large areas to prevent further injury. Holon, another city impacted in the early hours, saw a residential building's roof collapse under the force of a blast. Rescue crews worked through the rubble to reach those inside. While injuries have been reported, the full extent of the damage is still being evaluated. Overall, Israeli emergency services report that at least 89 people were injured across multiple sites. Most suffered shrapnel wounds, blast-related trauma, or were hurt by falling structures. Iranian state media has clarified that the intended target was a military installation situated near the hospital, not the civilian facility itself. Still, the effects of the explosion were far-reaching, with surrounding buildings absorbing much of the shock. Cleanup operations are now underway in several cities as emergency personnel and volunteers move quickly to secure buildings and assist the injured, while hospitals across the country brace for continued pressure.